Can you tell me where in here in the city limits that my boat's at?
I'm sorry?
This is a description. Article 2, the boundaries and descriptions of the city of Key West. Can you tell me in these paragraphs describing that there's this spot and this spot and this spot, where is my boat inside there?
Okay, this is not city limits, this is lease.
Then what am I worried about if the law says within city limits, and this isn't within city limits, this is leased like you lease an airplane seat or a bus seat?
Okay, don't lose that, because you'll need that.
I print this up every day. I got
No, come here. I believe you, come here.
I got a folder this thick of laws.
Come here.
All right, if you're going to give me a pre-numbered citation for doing something illegally, and then that gives me, finally, a day in court and some due process,
You want to go
thank
to
you
court?
very much.
Okay, you know how we can resolve this, and you can run it by your attorney. Okay, so I'm not talking, and you're not saying anything without legal counsel. This has to go in front of the judge, and let the judge decide. What do you think?
I believe it has to go in front of a jury and let
Okay.
the jury decide.
Well, you know what? I think you're right.
Here's a letter to dear Mr. Smith. This is to Mr. Sean Smith. Do you remember the fellow who used to work for the city of Key West named Sean Smith?
Yeah.
Why don't you read this letter out loud, right quick for me, just please. Just read it out loud.
I would love to, but I need my glasses.
Shall I read it out loud for you?
Yes, unless you hold it out there.
To Sean Smith, City Attorney, Key West. My freedom to anchor anywhere in navigable waters with anchor is not expressly prohibited by federal regulations. Dear Mr. Smith, I am in receipt of your letter January 11, 2007. Thank you for your prompt consideration in response to my concern in this matter. I would like you to respond to the actual allegation of my complaint rather than having you express your regards to your opinion regarding my opinion. I have the following two concerns requests. 1. I have asked for and not received a map of the city of Key West city limits. This is to prove to you that I'm not within the city limits of Key West as defined by the city charter. 2. I am seriously concerned that I'm the target of repeated selective enforcement at the continued behest of Officer Gomez, ID 1745, Key West Police Department. Officer Gomez must pass many other boats in the area to get to mine. However, these boat owners are not given repeated notices. I believe this is holding me up to public ridicule. Every day I feel increased anxiety about my boat home being stolen under color of law. I'm still suffering consequences of my last personal belongings in the previous boat to Hurricane Wilma. I have numerous questions regarding the legitimacy of Officer Gomez's authority to continue to adhere requested notices to my boat. Can you please answer each and every one of these questions, concerns? This guy doesn't have the guts to answer me.
All right, well, we don't have control over him. Okay, but listen, let me tell you something.
Are you going to give me a pre-numbered state-issued citation?
Why, you want one?
I would like one.
Okay.
Because you have to give me one for breaking the law, and I don't believe I've broken the law. So if I'm breaking the law, put what the law is on that, and then give me the use of the courts for redress and due process.
Okay, hold on. You've talked now. Listen to me. Have you checked with this gentleman over here, the
I'm not going to talk about him.
Well, you talked on.
I'll talk about what I want to, and I won't talk about what I don't want to. Now, I have nothing to say to you unless I speak to my lawyer.
Okay, but you said that we go.
I don't care what I said.
See, now you're being.
Yeah. Are you going to take me to jail for that?
Absolutely not.
Okay. You understand that I have an issue of contention here. So why don't you? Will you do me a favor? Is that Officer Gomez there? The movie star. I got a good 20 minutes of you last time, buddy. Did you see that video, Gomez? Oh, you've got a movie.
Really?
Yes.
Famous?
Shortly. So are you going to give me a pre-numbered citation, or are you going to go away now?
It's not going to be a pre-numbered citation. You're going to have to go before Judge Fowler on July 20th.
Okay, before the judge. Well, that's a good start.
Okay, by signing this ticket, you're not admitting guilt in any way. It just states you understand that you have a court date of July 20th.
You got a pen with you?
Yes, sir.
You want me to hold the
No,
camera?
that camera's just fine. Just where it's at.
Okay, I need you to sign right here, the circled X, please.
Okay.
For unlawful mooring, violation at 8231. Sir, just sign the citation. You don't have to write stuff on the citation. because that's going to be crossed out. I'll just put a line through it.
That has to do with my signature. It says without prejudice. That means I'm not going to pay this before another fine if I have to pay something. And then under duress means because I didn't want to sign it. You came over here and made me sign it.
Correct.
Okay.
I didn't make you sign it. You needed to sign it.
Okay.
Or else you would have been getting another ticket.
Okay.
All right, just so you understand, you have so you get
You're
it.
going to give me a copy, right?
Yes, sir. It's on camera, and you're going to get a copy of this. You're going to get a receipt.
Sir.
Let me give you this back real quick.
Certainly, thank you.
July 20th, 9 a.m., in front of Judge Fowler. If you're not sure what courtroom that is, make sure you just go to the clerk's office, the court early, and they will tell you where that is.
All right, now why don't you do me a favor and come to the Citizens Review Board on Tuesday night? That's
Don't
2
need
days
to.
from now. Don't need to.
Don't need to, sir.
Okay.
I'll be there. You want me there?
I would like somebody there. If you'd like, I mean,
I'm sure
I'm
they-
interested in the cause of justice, and I only want to uphold the law and abide by the law. And if there really was a law saying I wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be here.
Oh, that's
But
why you
there
have to
is
be
a
in court,
state
sir.
law that says that
You see, you've
no.
talked so much without your attorney.
Yeah. Well, let's not talk anymore. Let's just be there Tuesday.
I'll be there.
That's-
Tuesday, what time?
It's 6 p.m. at Old Town Hall.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Hey, what's your name, sir? What is your name, sir?
D. Velasco.
D. Velasco. Well, you sound like a good fellow there, D. Velasco. I hope I see you on Tuesday.
Well, I don't want you to get in trouble.
Neither do I.
So,
Thank you. Have a good day.
all right.
Hey, I got a video. I got a disc. I got a lot of them. I'll hand you a video disc, but you want it last 20. Remember I came out with my camera. Remember that? I got it on disc, like a movie. All right. Sure you will. All right. All right. Have a good day.